Diamond Hill, Exit C2. Ayan, yan, dyan lang yung 1A bus, oh. Ayan yung 1A bus. Okay, so Saikong. Dito yung Saikong, hanapin mo lang kung saan ang destination mo at doon ka magtatanong. Okay? Ferry to Sharp Island, Half Moon Bay. Meron pa dito. So here it is, my ticket. Heading to Half Moon Bay, and then I will hike until to Sharp Island. I've been there in Sharp Island last time. So ito pala yung boat, rainbow boat dito daw. Okay. Here. Nabisa ko lang, oh. Okay. Alis na, kahit na mag-isa ko. Sinulo ko ang boat papunta ng Half Moon Bay. Okay, so that is the Sharp Island. Ito yung ano, Half Lagoon. Maraming nagpupunta dyan na naliligo. Hindi ko napuntahan yan, pero napanood ko lang. Yan, oh. Yan, malapit na ako sa Half Moon Bay. Kaya kung gusto nyong mapasyalan yan at maligo dyan, ayan, doon ang pier, lakad kayo dito sa mag-coastal walk kayo. Thank you! Thank you, thank you! Ayan, konti lang yung tao. Half Moon Bay, here I am. Ayan, mag-isa ko lang, pero talaga namang hinatid ako, oh. Kahit wala silang pasahero. Ayan, sa mga gustong-gusto ng beach, dito lang sa Half Moon Bay, malapit ng mag-summer. Andito ako ngayon, papunta ako dyan, Hakshanting. Ayan, bababa ng Sharp Island, Kiu Choy pala. Ito pala Kiu Choy, dito pala Kiu Tao.
Feel the rhythm, feel the beat under the sun, where the oceans meet. Palm trees sway, the breeze is sweet, dancing barefoot in the summer heat. The sand beneath my feet, a melody that can't be beat. Oh, the night is young, the stars align. Let the music take your mind. Feel the island heat, let it move your soul.
Half Moon Bay Beach. Ayan. Picnic site area. Ayan, doon yung hiking. Doon ako mag-hike. Umikot lang ako saglit dito. Ayan, so ito na yung hiking trail. Kiu Choy Chow. Ang hirap bigkasin. Kiu Choy Chow. Ayan, ito na. Ito din. At ito na naman yung second na railing na paakyat. Half Moon Bay Beach and then heading to Kiu Choy. Naunahan pa ako. Yin Chai. Ito yung club Kausay Chow Public Golf Course and pala siya. Kausay Chow pala yung pick ng Kausay Chow. Yan. And then ito yung Whiskey Beach. Tinawag nila na Whiskey Beach yun, oh. Yan pala. Kiu Choy, 3/4. And so may beautiful spot here. Hoi Pak Sam, but oh, ayan. Heading down now. This is Granny Laichen. and the overlooking view of the Tombolo of Sharp Island. Malapit na ako. Distance post C5602. Keochoy viewing point. Ayan, tanaw dito yung Shelter Island, Haijang Peak, yung Matulis doon, Haijang Peak, Mount Parker, HKU University. Ayan, Razor Hill, Kowloon Peak, Titscairn, tanaw, Buffalo Hill. Daming mga tao. Another side here, viewing point. Wongmuying, Loitashik. Oh, that's the Loitashik Taitun. Tai Chi Longton, Tai Chamkoy. Yan, Tai Chamkoy. Saiwan, West Dam. Oh, tanaw doon yung West Dam doon. Yan, Keochoy viewing point.
Outside, come.
Tumampay ako saglit sa Keochoy Peak. Wala pala siyang tribo. Keochoy, only 1/4. Almost there. Keochoy Country Park, Keochoy Beach. Ito na. Mushroom Lady. Wild boars. Hindi pa siya nag-low tide, pwedeng dadaan dyan papunta doon sa kabila. Oh. A Grand Pineapple Rock. Pero hindi pa siya kasi nag-low tide. Hindi si Lola doon. Oh. Okay, antabayan ang aking short drone. See you again in my next video, guys. Thank you everyone. Bye. God bless and keep safe. Ayan na yung sakyan ko.
Feel the beat under the sun, where the oceans meet. Palm trees sway, the breeze is sweet, dancing.